everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Learning from Home with Teacher Rosa. For today, we're going to have a new lesson, and this lesson is very interesting because we're going to talk about the different kinds of animals. So, kids, sit back, relax, and enjoy. We'll have our objectives first. Name common animals, distinguish the characteristics of each kind of animal, and recognize pet, farm, and wild animals. We will have pet animals first. What are pet animals, Teacher Rosal? Pets are animals that you can keep in your house, kids. They are tamed, lovable, and playful. They can be your friend and companion if you are good to them. You can take good care of these animals. You can give them food, water, a place where they can stay, or their shelter where they can rest and sleep. You can walk with them. Okay, so do you have a pet, kids? What can you say about your pet? Teacher Rosla, my pet is so cute. It's adorable. It's playful. Some things like that. We will have these following pet animals as examples. Dog, dog. Rabbit, rabbit. Bird, bird. Birds like this can be placed in a cage, but make sure that the cage is big enough, large enough for them so that they can fly around. Next, fish in an aquarium or in a fish tank. Cat, cat. Hamster, hamster. Hamsters love obstacles. So in their cage, you can put some obstacles in there because they love to roam around. Those are some examples of pet animals. Remember, pets can be taken care of in your house or at home. Next, we will have farm animals. What are farm animals, Teacher Rosal? Well, kids, farm animals are helpful animals, especially for the farmers and the gardeners. They live in a farm, of course. They can give food like milk, eggs, and meat. Some can help you with your work. They can plow the fields, carry heavy loads, or give you transportation. Have you seen a farm animal, kids? These are some examples of farm animals. Horse, horse. Sheep, sheep. Cow, cow. Carabao, carabao. Goat, goat. Turkey, turkey. Chicken, chicken. Pigs, pigs. These are piglets. Ducks, ducks. Those are some examples of farm animals. Remember, farm animals can help with the work in the farm, especially for the farmers and the gardeners. Let's go to wild animals. What are wild animals, Teacher Rosa? Well, wild animals roam around the forest or jungle. They are usually wild and dangerous, so we have to be careful. Some are kept in the zoo to educate the people about them. Have you seen a wild animal? If you've gone to a zoo, then yes. Let's have some examples of wild animals, kids. Zebra, zebra. Giraffe, giraffe. Mouse deer, mouse deer. Jaguar, jaguar, leopard, leopard, tiger, tiger, bear, bear, panda, panda, elephant, elephant, lion, lion, flamingo, flamingo, deer, deer, owl, owl, monkey, monkey, fox, fox, eagle, eagle, snake, snake, crocodile, crocodile, alligator, alligator. So those are some examples of wild animals. Remember, kids, wild animals are dangerous, so we have to be careful. It's time for us to play, kids. Identify the given animal as pet, farm, or wild animal. Let's begin with eagle. What is an eagle? Is it pet, farm, or wild? Yes, it's wild animal. Very good, kids. Let's move on. What are ducks? Yes, it's farm animals. Very good. How about dog? What's a dog? Yes, correct. It's pet animals. Very good. Pet animal for a dog. Let's proceed to crocodile. What is a crocodile? Is it pet, farm, or wild? It's wild animal. Correct. How about a mouse deer? What's a mouse deer? Is it a pet, farm, or wild? It's a wild animal. Very good. It can be seen in the jungle of the Philippines. Yes. All right. Let's move on to cat. What's a cat? Okay, it's pet animal. Very good. Cats are pet animals. Let's move on to pigs. What are pigs? Okay, they are farm animals. Okay, let's move on to horse. What's a horse? Correct, farm animal. Very good. How about giraffe? What's a giraffe? Correct, wild animal. Wow. Great job. How about chicken? What's a chicken? It is farm animal. Very good. Farm animal for chicken. Good job, kids. Wow, you are so good. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today, kids. I'm looking forward to have another lesson to be with you. So please, if you are new to my channel, please consider to like our lesson and also subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated to our next video and tutorial or some of our lessons. Goodbye for now, kids. Thank you very much and have a great day.